Look at your sister, Copper.
Copper, come here. Come here. Come here. You sit down. Sit down. Just sit. You got another one. You're going to do this again, alright? Just stay. Just stay. No. Stay. Cockeye at me. Stay. Yeah! Woo!
Yay, Copper, that's good!
Girl, give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah. You do it again. Stay. Put your head down a little bit. There you go. Stay. Oh, you're better than that.
You should have showed that to Cheyenne and Carson.
Stay. No. Got you. Stay. Stay. No. Just kidding. Stay.
Off the teeth.
Come on, girl. Got one more for you. I got one more. You gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. Girl. No, I don't want your paw this time. You gotta catch it before I shake your hand. Are you ready? Stay. Stay. Come here. Come here. Copper. Here it is. Here it is. Come here. Look, I found it. Oh, no, you don't get it. Here. Come here. Sit down, stupid.
No, don't call her stupid.
You kind of.
She's not stupid.
Just kidding. I dropped it. My bad.
She's smart.
It's all slick because you missed it. Stay. 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 Ah, jeez. Take my hand off. Here you go. Here you go. Come on. Well, the last try of the night. Come on, look right. Look at my hand right here. There you go. Stay. Ah. No, no, no. I got it. Sit down. Sit down. It's like I'm getting frustrated. It's tough. Look right here. Alright, you stay. Stay. Yeah.
Yay, Copper.
Copper dog.
Good girl. Good girl.
No,
Come
give me
kiss.
5.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do the 5 thing.
That's my dog.